the Maritime Standard 2025 Awards. Let's begin is the award for the Transportation and Logistics Award, sponsored by the Arab Shipbuilding and Repair Yard. And the finalists are... And to announce the winner, may I please welcome onto the stage the CEO of the Arab Shipbuilding and Repair Yard, Dr. Ahmed Al-Abari.
And the winner is JM Baxi Heavy Private Limited.
Our congratulations to all at the JM Baxi Heavy Private Limited. Well done.